Today, we're going to be talking about the Highboy updates. Now, Highboy just released a blog, so if you want to keep up to date with all their advancements, go check out their new blog, save the website, as well as check out their Discord. They're doing a great job keeping everybody informed about the Kickstarter process. Let's talk about the new industrial redesign revision. In the latest integration, the team focused on three main pillars: durability, ergonomics, and expandability. The main body is now integrated with ABS and ABS Plus PC accents on the side. This gives the device a more premium finish, while also improving resilience for everyday field use, which is perfect if you're considering making this device one of your daily drivers. You don't have to worry about the everyday wear and tear. It should handle it quite nicely. From the usability standpoint, they are exploring moving the micro SD card slot higher on the device and refining the GPIO layout to make connections clearer and more intuitive. Now, people have raised concerns about the GPIO placement, but after testing, they confirmed that it's still in optimal location. This is to make sure that the model doesn't interfere with your grip. The device will support a screen rotation, so you can comfortably use it horizontally when attachments are plugged in. That is a really smart quality and life improvement. On the top, next to the infrared window, they are planning on adding an SMA connector or an external antenna. The goal is simple here: push RF performance as far as possible and give users more flexibility depending on their setup. On the back section, they are isolating an area to ensure there is zero interference with NFC and RFID fields. Now, they're also going to be adding their branding to the back of the device, but as of right now, they're still working on finalizing that stuff. Once they do finalize it, you can expect a logo on the back of the device. Now, here's where things get really interesting, because it isn't just design updates anymore, it's real production progress. The team has officially closed a deal with a major factory in China. This includes engineers who previously worked at Foxconn to ensure the highest quality finished product. They will also have assistance from former engineers from Nokia and Motorola, bringing decades of experience in RF hardware, reliability, and product engineering into this project. On top of that, they have partnered with a company that will handle electronical engineering support, including the design of the sub-gigahertz antenna, which is critical for performance and reliability. They are also close to finalizing the contract for the mechanical engineering side, specifically the injection molding process for the plastic parts, which is one of the biggest steps toward mass production. Also, development has been really moving forward on the software side, with the application architecture officially underway. So overall, the update shows real momentum. Industrial design and maturing manufacturing partnerships are locked in. The development is actively progressing. Now, for me, this Kickstarter is doing everything that they're supposed to be doing. They are keeping everybody informed. They're making the blog. They constantly update everybody in their Discord. And they even took the initiative to move to China themselves to make sure they are able to watch the whole manufacturing process, which really shows their dedication toward this project. To the team at Highboy, keep up the good work. I'm really excited to see the future and more updates to come. For now, let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section. Do me a favor and remember that safety is an illusion.